School, attention. School, salute, order. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. School, get ready for the prayer. Prayer begins.
दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना, हमारे ध्यान में आवो प्रभु, आँखों में बस जाओ, अंधेरे दिल में आकर के प्रभु हम रहना सिखा देना, हमारा धर्म हो सेवा, हमारा कर्म हो सेवा, सदा ईमान हो सेवा, व सेवक चर बना देना, वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना, वतन पर जा फिदा करना, प्रभु हमको सिखा देना, दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करदा हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना.
School, stand at ease.
Take risks in your life. If you win, you may lead. If you lose, you may guide. With this inspiring words of Swami Vivekananda, we the students of Bharat Scouts and Guides are here to present today's morning assembly. Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for the country. Maria Ridya is here to administer pledge.
School, attention. School, get ready for the pledge. Pledge begins.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
And all Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country.
and I am proud of its
And I am proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
try to be worthy of it.
try to be worthy of it.
I shall give respect
I shall give respect
to my parents,
to my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all others
and all elders,
and treat everyone with
and
courtesy.
everyone with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and to my people,
and to my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
School, stand at ease.
Inspiring words in the morning can spice up a good day. I invite Shreya Arnath to motivate us with a thought.
Good morning. Today's thought. Arise, awake, and stop now till the end is reached. Thank you and have a fruitful day.
It is very important to be updated about what is happening around us. Rania Fatima and Anna Sian is here with today's headlines.
Good morning. And now, for 4 more years, sagging of 1,000 over 5G's potential to interfere with aviation safety. Center to share several defense import projects to promote making
Ankita H is here with a session program on National Youth Day.
About National Youth Day. National Youth Day, also known as Vivekananda Jayanti, is celebrated on 12 January, being the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. In 1984, the Government of India declared this day as National Youth Day, and since 1985, the event is celebrated in India every year. National Youth Day. How it started and how is it celebrated? On 12 January 2013, former Indian Prime Minister Sri Manmohan Singh told in his address at the inauguration of 4-year-long celebrations of Swami Vivekananda's 150th birth anniversary. The National Youth Day is observed all over India at schools and colleges, with processions, speeches, music, youth conventions, seminars, yogasanas, presentation, competitions in essay writing, recitations, and sports on 12 January every year. One of the famous thoughts by Swami Vivekananda is, everything is easy when we are busy. Nothing is easy when we are lazy. This gives us a nice concept on thinking about what we can do, and everything becomes easy when we are in the mood of doing it. Let's know it better. Swami Vivekananda's lectures and writings deriving their inspiration from Indian spiritual tradition and the broad outlook of his master Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. The ray of hope. He saw hope for the future in every child and believed that with muscles of iron and nerves of steel, they could bring about social change. Swami himself personified the eternal energy of the youth and a restless quest for truth. Today, almost 50% of India's population is under the age of 25. The future of the country rides on the shoulders, making celebrations that empower young people so important. One of the most famous quotes by Swamiji is, talk to yourself at least once in a day, otherwise you may miss meeting an excellent person in the world. This day is dedicated to the role young women and men play in bringing change in tackling global issues and achieving sustainable development. It also serves as an opportunity to raise awareness of the challenges and problems facing the world's youth. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. Today, January 12th, is celebrated as National Youth Day, which coincides with the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. His birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day. Dear students, why do we consider Swami Vivekananda as a youth icon? What is his message for the youth? This is what I'm going to talk about. See, you're all youngsters. One thing you must remember is, this is the time your mind and body have to be tuned in the right direction. It is the time your mind can absorb, memorize, sharpen itself to its maximum. Swami Vivekananda is known for the scientific temper that he displayed in each and every activity. He is a person who used to say that, question things before you believe them. I'll tell you an interesting anecdote from this life. When he was a schoolboy, a teacher at Scottish Church College in Calcutta was teaching a poem in English written by William Wordsworth. The poem is titled Excursion. You know, if you read Wordsworth's poems, he always talks about a beyond the body blissful experience. The teacher told the students that this poet had a very different blissful experience, which I cannot explain in words, because I haven't experienced something like that. It is a godly experience. So the class was over, But one student followed the teacher and asked a question. His name was Narendranath Datta. He asked the teacher, "Sir, what is that experience? And have you seen God? What is God?" These kinds of questions the young boy asked the teacher. And the teacher told him, "Narendra, you can go to Dakshineshwar in Calcutta, and there is Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. You can meet him. He is a person known to have had this blissful experience of godly experience of life. You can meet him. He will solve all your doubts, clarify your doubts, answer your questions." Narendra went to meet Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, and the rest is history. Sri Ramakrishna became the Guru, and Narendranath Datta became Swami Vivekananda, one of his most special disciples. This is how a question that you take beyond the classroom transforms your life. A question need not just end with an answer. A question can become a search, a quest. A question mark will become an exclamation mark when your quest takes you to new wonders of life. You are very young. Use your mind. Scientifically think about things. Vivekananda has written, in fact it's a speech, one of his finest words on education. If you get a chance to read that, please do not miss it. He writes in the book, the biggest library in the world is human mind. Our mind is the biggest library. Undertake a journey into your mind, and you will discover so many unexplored wonders of this universe. As youngsters, Swami Vivekananda gave a beautiful message when a few young men went to him and asked, "Swamiji, what is your message for the youth?" And he gave a beautiful witty reply. He said, "Take the mess of the age. Take away that mess from your age. Focus on greater purpose in life. Use your faculties to their best." And I'm sure all of you will take the life of Swami Vivekananda, his scientific temper, his dynamism, his leadership qualities, and try to make the best of your life, make your life meaningful and beautiful. Thank you. Have a great day.
Invite Niranjana Rajiv to add a new word to our vocabulary.
Good morning all. I Niranjana Rajiv of class 6B is going to present today's word for the day. Today's word for the day is zealous. The spelling of this word is Zealous. The meaning of this word is full of enthusiasm or strong passion. Sentence. Her zealous attitude made her a winner in overcoming every obstacle of life with a smile on her face.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, "Never complain about difficulties in life, because a director always gives the hardest roles to the best actors." With this, Amaya Sneha Smidhi in comparing and RNK Benny in commanding are concluding today's assembly program. Thank you and have a nice day.
School, get ready for the national anthem. National anthem begins.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल नायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय है, जय है, जय है, जय 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 है,